You don't see that, do you? You don't see the millions of germs, viruses, microbes, and bacteria on that door. But they're there. Meet HooKey. HooKey is an antimicrobial, no-touch keychain tool. It creates a safe way to complete everyday tasks without touching shared surfaces that harbor bacteria and viruses. 80% of illness-causing germs are spread through your hands. 1 in 5 people don't wash their hands. A single germ can multiply into more than 8 million germs in one day. HooKey lets you go about your everyday life with safety and security and allows us to stop the spread together. The patented design lets you open doors, turn handles, push buttons, and even carry groceries without touching a single surface. The antimicrobial silicone coat ensures no pathogens stick to HooKey and prevents cross-contamination. Silicone is widely used in both medical and food industries because of its amazing antimicrobial properties, so you know you're in good hands. The silicone coat also prevents HooKey from scratching surfaces like car doors, tables, and door handles. HooKey is deceptively strong. With a die-cast aluminum body and multi-finger grip, HooKey can carry up to 50 pounds of weight. That's 15 grocery bags. HooKey is 3.75 inches in length, only 20 grams in weight, and is corrosion and rust-free. Fit it perfectly in your pocket or on your keychain. We have a responsibility to not only protect ourselves, but our community. HooKey was born out of this duty, to ensure our safety and the safety of everyone around us. We can be a part of the solution. Back our campaign today, and let's stop the spread together.
So you're done with cleaning the old way and ready to embrace the future? But is this what the future should look like? Introducing NeaBot, the robot cleaner that lets you take a back seat and relax with stronger suction power. Automatically boost the suction power on carpet. Multi-level suction adjustment. Better home mapping. Automatic waste disposal. Then resume its task automatically and easy cleaning. You can set specific cleaning areas or no-go zones through the app. And truly rest easy. Uninterrupted. NeaBot. No more dust, no more manual disposal.
Servant? There is a malodor. Make it be gone. I want only to smell the sweet breeze from the Nile and the lotus that grows there.
Smells like someone's having cat odor trouble. Hi, whether you're a cat-loving princess or just stuck living with one and forced to clean their cat's mess, you'll want to hear this. Tired of smells that make you think twice before inviting your friends over? Tired of scooping poop for a living? Tired of walking into a nightmare of a public bathroom every time nature calls? I present to you the Aimicat. Tell them what they've won, Bob.
Well, it's a brand new Aimicat, an all-new smart self-cleaning litter box. It does all the dirty work, so you don't have to. Its smart sensors know exactly when it's business time. It then goes to work separating all those clumps and trapping them in a negative pressure sealed chamber. But that's not all. It has a removable carbon filter that scrubs the air clean, thus making sure there's a fresh, clean bed of glitter. Haha, I mean litter waiting for your little guy each and every time they enter.
The Aimicat will save you money, as you'll be using about 50% less cat litter than you used before. And if you've been buying about a box a week of that odor-fighting litter, this thing will pay for itself in no time.
What? This will save us $676 a year.
That's right. And I know some of you have been going through more than a box a week. I'm talking to you, multiple cat owners. You'll also take ease in knowing that one Aimicat can be comfortably shared by up to 4 cats. No more need for multiple boxes spread out all over the house.
Won't my cats be afraid of it?
Is your cat a scaredy cat? No problem. They'll be fine. Once they use it, they'll never want to go back to their old litter box.
Will it awaken me? Servant? What was that?
Nothing.
It's no louder than your refrigerator.
Wait a minute. How easy is it to clean?
Super easy, in fact. Just use the one-click cat litter change button, located here. And the cat litter will empty into the lined bin. Should you need to, just pop off the top and spray it down. Ugh. Sorry about that.
Can we afford it?
Can you afford not to?
Order right now, and you'll qualify for the super early bird price of $229. That's a savings of 30% off the MRSP of $329. As an added bonus, we'll bless your Aimicat box absolutely free. Search Aimicat on Kickstarter. That's AIMICAT. Order now.
This is Ultra, the latest helmet from Lumos, the best smart LED helmet you can buy. Ultra will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Best of all, it's designed with affordability in mind, so that a Lumos helmet can finally be accessible to everyone. The truth is that bike-mounted lights don't always do enough to make you visible to drivers. Like us, you're probably also tired of your lights getting lost or stolen, and drivers not seeing, recognizing, or responding to your hand signals. That's why Ultra comes integrated with 3 LED modules, giving you full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you are seen by motorists from all angles, and drastically improving your chances of avoiding a crash. There are also turn signals that you can activate easily while riding using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. It's smart, so you can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom linking patterns. And of course, Ultra offers serious protection for your head. It passes rigorous safety standards with an A-star rating and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. Over the years, we've received a ton of feedback and feature requests from our awesome community of Lumos helmet riders. We are excited that we were able to incorporate many of those requests into Ultra. You asked for a visor? We got a visor. You asked for larger and smaller sizes. Ultra will now come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and extra large for a comfortable fit for the whole family. You asked for a standard charging port. Ultra will feature a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. We've also optimized battery life so that Ultra can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But the biggest request we've gotten is whether we can make our helmets more affordable. A good-looking, high-quality helmet could easily cost over $100. Add a good set of front and back lights, and that's another $100. Ultra will cost less than either. The Lumos Ultra is the perfect helmet for your bike commute, your training ride, your e-bike, or the family ride with the kids. Ultra has you covered.
The design, just look at it. It's amazing. I love it.
Für mich der schönste Helm auf dem Markt aktuell.
Il est extrêmement léger par rapport au modèle précédent, ce qui sur des utilisations sur des longues distances est quand même très appréciable.
The airflow is amazing and it felt really good during the ride.
Seriously, the lightness, I don't know how you did it with all the electronics and everything in it. It's beautiful.
You also don't have to worry about forgetting your lights when you go out, so that's super handy.
I'll definitely be buying it myself.
Just get one. It's amazing.
Hi, I'm Ewan, co-founder and CEO of Lumos. We got our start right here on Kickstarter 5 years ago, with little more than an idea and a passion to keep riders safe and build a great product. Since then, we've won some pretty cool awards, been featured on Oprah's Favorite Things, became the first helmet to ever be sold at the Apple Store, sold and shipped over 100,000 of our helmets to riders all around the world, and garnered hundreds of amazing reviews from customers who have loved their Lumos helmet. But what's most fulfilling is seeing our helmets actually make an impact, helping people stay safe and in many instances, saving lives. Safety is everyone's right. So we've made it our mission to make our life-saving tech available to as many cyclists as possible. That's why we've packed all our helmet making experience and user feedback into making Ultra our best and most affordable helmet yet. Imagine a world where every cyclist has access to protective gear that makes them as visible as possible to everyone on the road. With your help, we can make that a reality. Join us.
Spending all your life trying to
So here you are, enjoying a quiet Tuesday with all of those handy little devices that make your home a home, when suddenly the power goes out. Thankfully, you thought ahead. Enter R600, the only power station of its size with enough energy to run almost any household device. See, most power stations like this can handle your standard device. Things like lanterns, laptops, stereos, even little Cosmo here. Anything that needs 600 watts or less, no problem. But R600 goes above and beyond other power solutions. So even during a blackout, you can scramble some eggs, brew a cup of joe, or blow dry those beautiful locks without a moment's worry. So how long does the battery last? Well, that's entirely up to you. The base model gives you 300 watt hours of energy storage. That's like running a laptop for about 15 hours. But I have a feeling you want more. So at any point in time, you can upgrade to R600 Max. This adds an extra battery module, giving you double the energy storage capacity of R600. And then there's this piece of magic. When you buy 2 R600 Max units, this extension cable allows you to chain them together, quadrupling your storage capacity and doubling your output, so you can power heavy-duty gadgets wherever work takes you. Now take a moment and picture your next road trip. Anyone with a bit of wanderlust knows power is priceless in the great outdoors. That's why with R600 Pro, sky's the limit. It includes an expansion module for attaching any number of LFP or deep cycle batteries. Your storage capacity is literally limitless, and R600 Pro will monitor your power usage as if it was all a single integrated unit. Now I know what you're thinking. Big battery, big charge time. It's a fair assumption. But the difference between R600 and other storage devices, it's 10 times faster. The battery recharges from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. That's all well and good when there's an outlet around, but Mother Nature rarely affords us such luxury. So when you're out and about, put on an eco-friendly face, because with its 160 watt solar panels, R600 recharges in just 3 hours of direct sunlight. It also solves another problem that I think many of us have. Nowadays, our bags are bursting at the seams with dongles and power adapters, AC, DC, USB, Type-C, too many. Well, you can leave those bricks at the door. R600 is fitted with every port you'll ever need to power any device. As you might expect, the built-in screen tracks each and every watt that flows through the battery. Is this useful? Yeah, absolutely. But convenient? Not so much. In this wireless world of ours, remote control is key. Now you can pair R600 with the new EcoFlow mobile app. It does everything, right from the palm of your hand. Monitor your output, receive recharge alerts, check your carbon footprint, or set the mood for date night when the kids are out of the house. Long story short, R600 is your one-stop shop for staying connected on and off the grid. With unlimited power expansion, ultra-fast recharge, and so much smart functionality, it's bound to break the bank, right? Not quite. R600 starts at just $299 because we believe in building a better world by bringing clean, untethered energy to everyone.